Good morning, children. Today we will continue our chapter 1 of English grammar book. Okay? We have completed yesterday what is sentence and what is a phrase. Today we are going to do kinds of sentences. Open your page number 8, last part. There are 4 kinds of sentences. 1. Assertive or declarative. These are the normal sentences which state something, which tell something. मतलब किसी को कुछ बताना, किसी का आंसर करना या समथिंग किसी चीज़ को स्टेट करना मतलब बताना. ओके, दीज आर असर्टिव और डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस. सेकेंड इज imperative sentences. What is an imperative sentence? It expresses a command, a request or an advice. Okay, go to your home. This is a command. Please give me some cake. This is a request. And what is the advice? Study at home. This is advice. Okay, so these 3 types of sentences are imperative sentences. What are they? Imperative sentences. Command देना किसी को, किसी से request करना या किसी को advice लेना. Okay. Third, interrogative. Interrogative are questions. Okay, उसमें कुछ explain नहीं करना. Interrogative are questions. They are just questions. And last one, exclamatory. It expresses a strong emotion. मतलब hooray, alas, ouch. These are exclamatory. Okay, these express strong emotions. Now we will read them one by one. Okay. What are assertive sentences? Assertive sentence states or declares something. Divya plays the piano. An organized work gives good result. These just state something. Okay. These are also known as declarative sentences. These sentences are classified into 2, affirmative and negative. What are affirmative? These are positive sentences. Okay, what are negative? In which a negative word like no, don't, never, these words come, they are called negative sentences. Okay, a positive statement is affirmative, whereas a negative sentence is a negative. For example, there is some water in the jug. This is affirmative. Whereas never swim in a deep pool. This is negative. Okay, these say, tell or state something. These are known as assertive. चाहे affirmative हो चाहे negative हो, होता assertive ही है. Okay, assertive के parts हैं affirmative and negative. इनके हमेशा आखिरी में ये full stop आता है. Okay, now we will do imperative sentences. Imperative sentence express a command, a request or an advice. Stand in a queue. Give me some ice cream please. Always walk on the footpath. ये command, request और advice देते हैं. These are called imperative sentences. इसमें subject omitted होता है. It is understood by themselves. Okay. एंड इनके भी आखिरी में फुल स्टॉप आता है. नेक्स्ट वी विल डू इंटेरोगेटिव. एन इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस आस्क्स अ क्वेश्चन. एन इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस कैन बी येस और अ नो क्वेश्चन और अ WH क्वेश्चन. व्हाट आर WH? हु, वाई, हुज, वेयर, व्हाट. दीज आर WH क्वेश्चंस. A yes or no question sentence can be answered in yes or no. A WH question sentence begins with a question word like when, who, why, etc. For example, have you read Shakespeare Othello? A yes or a no question. When will the peon open the gate? This is a WH question. The above sentences ask question, therefore they are called interrogative sentences. These sentences have question marks at the end. Okay, We have read assertive, imperative and interrogative. Now we will read next page, that is exclamatory. An exclamatory sentence expresses a sudden strong feeling of joy, sorrow or wonder. For example, hooray, our team stood first in the match. Alas, my neighbor died in the prime of youth. Third, how dark the long tunnel is. These are some exclamatory sentences. इनके आखिरी में या फिर उस exclamation word के बाद exclamatory mark आता है. इसमें normally verbs omit होते हैं and they always have a exclamation mark. Okay? Now we will do exercise. Write AS for assertive, IN for interrogative, IM for imperative and EX for exclamatory sentences. Okay children, now we will do our exercise. First question, the police arrested the thief. What is this? This is assertive. It states something. Second, is the bird in the cage? This is interrogative. So IN. Third, what a sweet voice. This is exclamatory. So EX. Fourth, were you absent yesterday? This is interrogative. IN. Fifth question, bring me a suitcase from London. This sentence states something, hence it is assertive. AS. Sixth, could you tell me where Ashok lives? This is interrogative. IN. Seventh, Sudesh, shut the door. This is an order, hence imperative. Eighth, how hot is it? This is an exclamatory, hence EX. Next exercise, exercise E. Rewrite the following groups of words as sentences. The kind of sentences is to be formed is mentioned in the bracket. The first word of the sentence is underlined. ओके अब यहाँ पे जम्बल वर्ड्स दिए हैं, लेकिन उन जम्बल वर्ड्स में फर्स्ट जो वर्ड है वो अंडरलाइंड है और आपको किस टाइप का सेंटेंस बनाना है ये आपको ब्रैकेट में दिया है. ओके, सो लेट्स रीड. फर्स्ट, द ऑफ स्विच टेलीविजन. इट हैज़ टू बी अ कमांड. देन switch off the television. Okay, now we will do the second. You reach in time did the cinema hall. You have to make it a question. Did you reach the cinema hall in time? Third, what does not she in the tournament to take part? Statement. She does not want to take part in the tournament. Fourth, be well soon may you! Exclamation. May you be well soon. Fifth, they a noise what are making? Exclamation sentence. What a noise are they making? Sixth, I outside go may play and. Request. May I go outside and play? Seventh, spit don't floor the on. Command. Don't spit on the floor. Eighth, is in the United States of America? The Statue of Liberty. Statement: the Statue of Liberty is in the United States of America. Ninth. Sweet, how rose smells this! Exclamation: how sweet this rose smells! 10th. The first to climb who woman was the Mount Everest? Question: who was the first woman to climb the Mount Everest? Okay, so we have completed our chapter 1. I hope you have understood what we have learned in this chapter. We have learned what are sentences. It is a group of words that conveys complete sense. Second, what is a phrase? It is a group of words that do not tell the whole sense. Okay. What is assertive sentences? What are assertive sentences? They are statements. They state something, they tell something. What are imperative sentence? They give a command, advice. Okay. What are interrogative? Interrogative asks a question. What are exclamatory? They express a strong feeling. Okay, I hope you all understood the chapter. Now we will do our next chapter in the next class. Please complete your homework to read all this again, to read the chapter again, and complete these exercises also. Okay, thank you.